Good day, students. My name is Mrs. Debbie Loretta Akun. I am your civic education teacher for this lesson, and the topic to be treated is measures adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. These are the areas of focus we will be looking at. 1. Meaning of unity. 2. Importance of unity. 3. Ways to promoting national unity. 4. Measures adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to 1. Explain the meaning of unity and its importance. 2. Outline the ways of promoting national unity. 3. Evaluate the methods adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. Enjoy the lesson. Measures adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. You all must have heard about the phrase, united we stand and divided we fall. For every nation or any community of persons that desires growth and development, unity is essence. People can easily break you and crush you, but if you stand together, nobody can separate or cause division among you. Unity can therefore be defined as the state of being in full agreement or a condition of harmony and accord. Simply put, it is the sense of working together for the common goal and good of all. It is the state of being united or joined as a whole. In other words, it is the state of joining different areas or groups together to form a single community or organization. It is being able to accept other ethnic groups as one people, irrespective of religion, status, culture, and geographical location. One Nigeria means being as one people and making sure everyone shares the true identity of one nation. Importance of unity. 1. Unity promotes survival. As we all know that unity protects us from all evil doings. Hence, we should help each other and stand together to fight and face bad and negative things in our society. When we stand together, we get freedom from all kinds of negativity. You should also know that any house or nation divided against itself will not stand. That is, such house or country will fall. So, to ensure our continued existence, we must live in unity with each other, regardless of who we are or where we are from. 2. Unity helps us to grow. Nothing can grow alone, and no one succeeds or survives in isolation. Staying united is good for our growth, as well as the nation's development. Unity is also good for the family in particular, and all-round development of children. 3. Unity helps us win together. Unity gives us freedom and makes us win. Individually, we are like one drop, but together in unity, we are like an ocean. In this world, you will meet different people, and each of them will know some things you don't. Hence, by understanding each other, we can learn from each other and then win together. 4. Unity gives courage. Unity gives courage at the face of injustice. Whenever you see injustice, you feel like saying something. But when you get support from people around you, you become brave and stand towards injustice and face it. 5. Unity prevents violence in a society or nation. A nation or society will enjoy unity and peace if everyone is united and care about one another. Let's go on a short break.